Hey there, this is Paul with Paul's Mobile Homes, and today I want to give you a little bit of information that might help you on mobile home repairs. Mobile homes do have some differences between a mobile home and a regular stick-built home, as they like to call them. And here are a couple of those things. Now, take the first being a bathtub. The usual mobile home bathtubs are only 54 inches long. The usual bathtubs in a home are 60 inches long. Now, if your mobile home bathtub of 54 inches is sandwiched between two walls, then you cannot buy a 60-inch bathtub and slide it in there to replace the old one. You'll have to get a mobile home bathtub. That's important to know because, moving all those walls is just, you just don't want to do it. Mobile home parts stores have 54-inch bathtubs. How do you find a mobile home parts store if you don't know where one is in your area? Well, you could Google mobile home parts in your area. There's also a mobilehomepartsstore.com, although I have to confess I don't know what the shipping would cost for a bathtub. But that's an important one if you want to make it easy and you need to replace a bathtub. Get one from a mobile home parts store. Now, they might be more expensive than the ones that you buy at the big box store that are 60 inches long. But the trade-off is the installation of that 60-inch one with all the changes you're going to need to make to that mobile home. Well, it's going to be more expensive to go that way than the other way. The same is true of mobile home front and back doors. They are a different size. Also, mobile home sinks are often different than regular sinks, although you can find good replacement sinks if you look. You have to know the size. And I have found those a lot, at places like Home Depot and Lowe's. Windows are another thing. When you get into replacing windows, you can buy windows that were built exactly to replace the ones that you've got. Now, some people want to go in, the more expensive windows that are usually done in homes. And I'll tell you the difference in cost. You could spend $5,000 replacing 3 windows in the front of your home, or you could spend $500 to $700 doing the same thing. And the only big difference is the $5,000 ones will be easier to clean because they're going to come with that tilt-in feature, and the mobile home replacement windows will not. But they were built to replace the windows in your mobile home, and I still think they're the best option because then you're not changing anything. You're not cutting into the way it was originally built. The way a mobile home was built has already been approved by Housing and Urban Development. They've laid out the specifications. When you have a contractor come in installing windows and saying this is what to do, they usually don't know really anything about mobile home code. So check that out. So those are the 3 big things I wanted to tell you about in terms of mobile home parts. The rest, roofing is roofing, plumbing is plumbing, and all that good stuff. So I hope this helps somebody, and I thought I should just get it out there. So have a great day. Bye-bye.